Welcome, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. I'm excited to introduce our topic, Microsoft Fabric versus Azure Synapse Analytics, a new era in data platforms. Today, we'll explore the unified data vision, discuss migration strategies, and look ahead to the future of Microsoft's data ecosystem. We'll keep it engaging and focused, so let's get started. Welcome to our introduction to the debate. Today, we're comparing Microsoft Fabric and Azure Synapse Analytics, two major players in the evolving world of data platforms. Understanding the differences between them is crucial because it helps organizations plan their data strategies and investments more effectively. This debate is more than just a technical discussion. It has strategic implications. It matters deeply to data professionals and businesses alike because it influences how data platforms are used, integrated, and evolved over time. Now, you might be wondering, is Microsoft Fabric just a new name for Azure Synapse Analytics, or is it actually replacing it? That's the core question we're exploring today. So, as we move forward, keep in mind that this isn't just about technology. It's about understanding what these changes mean for the future of data management and analytics. Now, let's take a closer look at what Microsoft Fabric really is. Fabric simplifies data management significantly, making it easier for users to handle data with minimal coding needed. It offers governed, seamless access to data across the entire enterprise, which means you can trust your data is consistent and secure no matter where you are in your organization. One of the key strengths of Fabric is its integration with a wide range of Microsoft data tools, including Power BI, Azure Data Factory, and OneLake. All of these tools come together within a single environment, streamlining workflows and making data management more cohesive and efficient. It's important to understand that Microsoft Fabric is not just a rebranding of Azure Synapse Analytics. It's a unified, comprehensive data platform designed to go far beyond that, offering a more integrated and versatile approach to managing and analyzing data across your enterprise. This is a new era in data platforms, and Fabric is at the forefront of that shift. Now, let's take a closer look at the key components that make up Microsoft Fabric. First, we have Fabric Warehouse, which is designed for scalable data warehousing. This means it can handle large volumes of data efficiently, making it ideal for organizations with growing data needs. Next, embedded within Fabric Warehouse are AI modeling capabilities. These advanced tools enable us to generate deeper insights from our data, supporting more intelligent decision-making. Moving on, we have OneLake, which serves as a unified data lake. This simplifies storage and governance by providing a single, integrated platform for all our data assets. Then there's Data Activator, a powerful feature for real-time, event-driven automation. It allows us to respond instantly to data changes or triggers, making our operations more dynamic and responsive. We also have Azure Data Factory, which handles data integration and orchestration. It connects various data sources and manages workflows seamlessly, ensuring our data pipelines run smoothly. Finally, Power BI is included for business intelligence and analytics. It transforms data into visual insights, helping us understand trends and make informed decisions quickly. Altogether, these components form a comprehensive ecosystem that supports modern data platforms and aligns with our goal of creating smarter, more agile data solutions. Let's take a closer look at Fabric's unified data vision. At its core, the goal is to create a seamless and secure environment for data across the entire organization. This means smooth data sharing, consistent security policies, and AI-powered insights that help us make smarter decisions faster. Fabric's virtualization and governance capabilities play a crucial role here. They help reduce complexity, making it easier to manage and access data, while also ensuring that our security policies are applied consistently everywhere. This accelerates our ability to turn data into actionable insights. A key element of this vision is OneLake, Microsoft's centralized data lake. It virtualizes data access and storage, so users can work with data from a single source without worrying about where it physically resides. This simplifies data management and promotes collaboration. Overall, Fabric embodies a single platform that unifies all data tasks in one place. It's about creating a cohesive, efficient ecosystem where data flows smoothly, securely, and with AI-driven intelligence guiding us every step of the way. Now, let's take a look at Azure Synapse Analytics and its role in our data ecosystem. It has long served as a foundational analytics service within Microsoft's data landscape, providing a solid base for many data-driven initiatives. Synapse allows us to build complex analytics workflows, which means we can handle a wide variety of data processing tasks. However, it's important to note that working with Synapse often requires a fair amount of coding and management effort, so it can be quite powerful, but also demanding in terms of resources and expertise. What makes Synapse particularly versatile is its ability to integrate different analytics tools within a single platform. It combines SQL data warehousing, which is great for structured data, with Spark for big data processing, plus data integration pipelines, all accessible through Synapse Studio. This integration simplifies the process of managing diverse data workloads. Finally, it's worth emphasizing that Azure Synapse Analytics has been a very powerful service for both data warehousing and big data analytics. It has helped organizations unlock insights from their data at scale. But as we move into this new era, we're seeing innovations that aim to make these processes more streamlined and accessible, which is what we'll explore next. Now, let's explore how Synapse experiences are migrating into Microsoft Fabric. As you can see, Microsoft Fabric and Azure Synapse Analytics are entering a new era of data platforms. One of the key advantages here is that these components now benefit from Fabric's unified platform. This means simpler management and much better integration across various data services. When we talk about the benefits of this unified platform, it's worth highlighting how it streamlines data engineering. Powered by Spark, it makes big data processing more efficient and accessible. There are also SQL pools, which provide scalable data warehousing solutions, making it easier to handle large volumes of structured data. Plus, with pipelines, orchestrating complex data workflows becomes more straightforward, ensuring smooth data movement and transformation across systems. Importantly, many core capabilities of Synapse haven't just been phased out. They've been integrated directly into Fabric's SaaS environment. This retains the power and flexibility of Synapse, while providing a more cohesive and simplified user experience. Overall, this integration signals a significant step forward in how we manage and utilize data across the enterprise, emphasizing ease of use, scalability, and comprehensive capabilities within a single platform. Now, let's turn our attention to the upcoming changes regarding Azure Synapse Data Explorer. Microsoft has announced that they plan to retire this service in 2025. That means organizations currently using it should start planning their transition now. In this context, I want to highlight EventHouse, which provides a modern and scalable solution for streaming data ingestion and exploration. It's designed to work seamlessly within the Fabric ecosystem, making it a strong candidate for those looking to migrate. We encourage users to consider moving to Fabric's EventHouse because it offers real-time analytics capabilities, which are increasingly vital for modern data workflows. So, in summary, while Azure Synapse Data Explorer will be phased out, this presents a great opportunity to adopt more integrated, real-time data tools like EventHouse within the Fabric environment, aligning with our overall goal of building more agile and scalable data platforms. Let's talk about some important considerations when migrating from Synapse to Microsoft Fabric. One key aspect is integrating Power BI within Fabric's environment. This integration allows us to streamline reporting and analytics, making insights more accessible and actionable across the organization. The migration also unlocks several benefits, such as reducing complexity by consolidating data tools, enhancing AI capabilities for smarter insights, and adopting a single data lake approach. This simplifies data management and accelerates decision-making. Another consideration is adapting our Spark workloads to fit within Fabric's architecture. We need to ensure these workloads are optimized for the new environment to maintain performance and efficiency. Leveraging Fabric's architecture offers best practices for governance and data sharing. Its design makes it easier to manage permissions, enforce policies, and share data securely across teams. Finally, the migration involves transitioning existing Synapse workloads into this unified Fabric platform. This process is about more than just moving data. It's about rethinking how we manage and utilize our data assets for better agility and collaboration. Overall, these considerations help us maximize the value of our migration and position us for future success in a more integrated, efficient data landscape. Now, let's take a closer look at Fabric versus Synapse in terms of their scope and vision. Fabric offers a single, unified data lake called OneLake, which simplifies data management by providing a central repository. It also supports seamless integration with various tools, making workflows more efficient. On the other hand, Synapse primarily focuses on data warehousing and big data analytics, enabling organizations to handle large-scale data processing and analysis. When we consider the broader vision, Fabric aims to be a comprehensive, all-in-one data platform. It covers analytics, data integration, governance, and even AI capabilities, creating a unified experience. Synapse, by comparison, is more specialized, serving as a powerful analytics service designed to optimize data insights. Understanding these differences helps clarify how each platform aligns with different organizational needs and strategic goals. This comparison highlights the evolving landscape of data platforms, emphasizing the move toward integrated, all-encompassing solutions like Fabric versus specialized tools like Synapse. Now, as we reach the conclusion, I want to highlight what this evolution really signifies for Microsoft's data platform. It clearly demonstrates Microsoft's strong commitment to creating a comprehensive and integrated data ecosystem that's tailored for the modern enterprise. For businesses, adopting Microsoft Fabric means stepping into a future-ready data platform, one that supports advanced AI capabilities, real-time analytics, and seamless collaboration across teams. It's about enabling organizations to be more agile, more innovative, and more efficient. At the core of this is OneLake, which unifies diverse data tools into a single, streamlined platform. This integration simplifies governance, accelerates insights, and reduces the complexity typically associated with managing multiple systems. It's a big step toward making data management more straightforward and more powerful. And it's important to note, Microsoft Fabric isn't just a new name for Azure Synapse Analytics. It fundamentally reshapes how we manage and integrate data workflows. It's a new era that focuses on flexibility, connectivity, and how data is used across the entire organization.